Hi. So today, guys, I'm playing Parkour Simulator, and I don't know how to move yet. Do you play this? Nope. What? It's glitching. It's a glitch. Oh. Thank you. Wee. Thank you. Whoever did that. Wait. I need some. But that's not that way. What? No. Let's just leave it like that. So, guys, do you know why I'm playing this? So I can be good at this. And, by the way, I found a shortcut. Is this? No, I bet! That was too early. Wait, turn right. Wow. Oh, good. We turn around. This. Boing! No! Oh, wait. No, I want to voice you. You what? What the harder ones? Yeah. And I can't play it on computer, so I'm just gonna do this. Wait, what's F does? Oh, F is a slide. Hey! I went over one and it took all my speed. No fair! Woo! Wee! Wait, I can slide on this. Should I join? Nah. Wee! Jump. Jump. Okay, jump. Jump in. Yeet! So, what should I do next? Next. Ooh. Wait, what? You what? I'm doing the sewers, guys. Doing the sewers. Turn the screen. Wait, that's it. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was awesome. Oh. Done. This is much harder than the iPad. Oh my, I'm doing it without the, I did it without the zip one, that was awesome. Uh-oh. Here comes the hardest part. Oh, I died. Should I do cloud one, guys? Yeah, I'll do it. Oh, wait, no. Wee! So I go down here, what? That was happening. Then what? I'm going to first cloud. Eat. Oh, I almost fell off. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm back because I just plugged the computer in and you can see Yoshi. That was my sister. So, oh, I don't care. I don't care about that. Wait, I'll do this. Yee! Yeah! Turn around the screen and look at the view. You want? I'm not. Oh, after this one, let's eat us. There's nothing. Wait, no. Oh, thank you, Cloud. I needed you so I didn't fall. Face, get out of here. I don't want you. Okay. Doesn't like that. I see your mind. Why does it always have to work? I don't know. Okay, let's see. Wait. Nothing's working. What? Oh, let's have it. Thank you, Mama. And do you? Cause it's really hard. Do you? No. Do what? Eat. Eat. Can I go here? Yes. I'm gonna try race up. Oh my god, it's 67 rounds. This one is pretty hard, guys. I'll show you how to do it. I'll just turn this. I'm going back there. Why did I just do that? So I do race there. Then and we could and you go. Oh, yeah. Yes, and then no. You're gonna go so fast. Oh yes, I finally did it. Oh, no. Turn the screen. Whoa! Zipline! I love ziplines. Whee! Whoa! What the flip? We are out. I took the trophy and I almost fell off the cliff. No. What are you doing?
Whoa, where's he going?
I don't know. He's going to walk.
Play. We're gonna go play.
We got to push his teeth and then go to walk.
Okay, so let's see. The little pizza man can go. We have to find a house. Where do you want to live?
How about you? That one right there.
Okay. Wish I knew that before I ran all the way away from it.
Are you good at the computer?
Yeah.
Don't do new.
We'll
How about do new?
Yeah, we'll do new and then everyone can see what it's like.
Yeah, because I played it. Oh
Okay, start building. Come on.
I want
There you go. Whoa. That was a lot of things that happened all at once.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
wish we have Robux, but
where's the thing that tells you how much money you made?
Oh, over there.
Oh, it's right. It's on the other side.
And it gives how I
Right?
tap.
Doesn't it come here?
Yeah, I'm supposed to come here and I just tap it.
The pizza?
Yeah.
Boop. Oh, sweet. I got $50 now.
Can I show you?
I'm just gonna show people how to play. You can tap it. Okay, I have $100. And I have one more and I can go buy something. And then you can play.
$100.
Here it
Oh yeah.
comes.
Wait.
I have $150. What?
Mama,
What?
the screen is like a little blurry because 4.
No, that's okay. Pizza cutter. I added a pizza cutter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know our cousin Jeff? Yeah. He could be okay. So yeah, we know, but he actually makes pizza.
Who, Uncle Jeff?
Yeah. But you never make it. Cause we have oven.
Because he's what?
We have oven.
Yeah, he can cook it pizza
We
in the
have
oven.
oven. What?
Whoa, okay, I have an entrance now to my pizza place. Do I have enough for the floor?
Nope.
Ooh, yeah, I did.
I was like, nope, you don't. There's a chef to like get that.
Yeah, we haven't earned enough money, though, to get a chef to come.
Yeah, it's for 1,000.
Is it really? Let's see.
It was at 1,000.
I only have 250. I don't have enough yet.
Okay.
No. Yeah, tell me where to go next. Stop that.
Wait, let me play.
Okay. I think, where should I go next? I have 450. Is there anything I can buy yet?
Yes.
What?
Shane Cutter to get.
Oh, that's right. That was 400. Well, I might as well wait for this one. Okay, hold on.
I have enough
Bing.
money.
Okay.
If enough money, you can buy something else.
Yeah. Well, I have 400 though.
Yeah, you can
And
buy.
I can buy a tomato adder.
I
I think that means it adds tomatoes.
now it's for 6,000.
It's for 650. No.
600 things.
What happens if, can I go through the fire?
No, you can't.
Nope, totally can't. Can I collect my pizza still? Yeah,
Yes. Well, I know how to get a. Oh my.
I can. Okay,
I was gonna help
so I have
you.
400. Oh, I need a counter.
It's outside like yeah. I don't know much words.
600. So I need. You don't know many words because you're just a kid.
Yeah.
I think you're doing fine. There, now I have a counter.
Nighttime.
Oh yeah. So explain what this part is. I remember. You can tell them.
You can like just serve people's pizzas and get extra money.
Yeah. So you can design your own
Gents.
pizzas, though, right?
Yeah, you can get gems for that. Why do people have gems? Maybe they mine.
I don't know. They like to pay you in diamonds. I think
You
that's
know what happens if you
cool.
have it? If you have it,
No, what happens if you have it?
I'll show you.
What, the pizzas?
No, I'll show you.
No. Yeah, you want to show it? Okay, hold on. Yeah. Boop. Okay, your turn.
Oh, so you're supposed to
Oh, there's pizza people.
So
Customers.
You tap that,
Yeah.
and then you tap them.
The people?
Yeah, because I only have one. It'll give you 5 gems, and then
Are they gonna walk away?
No, you get another one if you still have a question, because you can keep them if you want.
Okay, you're holding a pizza
Give
now.
another one.
Whoa, there's a lot of people. Why are there people laying down outside?
I don't
What was
know.
that?
Well, I'm going to
They
show
were so
you.
excited they fell down.
So if you have gems, you go here. So you can like put stuff on the pizza. Look. So you can put.
Pay for things in diamonds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Are there like
there be tons of money. So you see, there can be.
how many gems? You have 10 gems. You can't buy any of these things.
Yeah, because expensive.
So people tip you in gems. Is that what you're saying? They pay
Yeah.
you that way?
Yeah.
Okay, oops. No,
What?
You can't afford these
Wait,
things.
I can do this. Gummy
jelly
bears.
Yep.
Gummy
Blueberries,
bears.
peanut butter, kiwi. Ooh, kiwi.
I can't go anywhere
On what?
else.
It's like a dessert pizza?
I'll go here.
This is normal ingredients. That's
I
funny.
can't do more green. I'm gonna go on.
I don't think you can afford any of them. I think we have to go back home.
And I'm going back home. It's close there.
Watch out for the wall. Watch
Oh
out for the
my-
wall. There you
Hey,
go.
get out of my shop.
Oh, there's pizza. People waiting for your pizza.
I'm coming quick as it. Wait.
There's no
Buy
glass.
that.
There's no glass. There you go. Look at all the pizzas.
I only have 2.
Why are you staring at the wall? What's
I
happening?
don't know.
Oh, you have $1,000 now. You can buy stuff. I don't know what. Oh, what'd you buy?
Oh, I can put stuff on there now.
You can invent a new pizza. Oh, or you could just give all these people cheese pizzas.
Yeah, because you could put the normal ones. The normal one have
Ingredients.
Mama, the
Yeah.
normal one have not in the picture. I can see one eye. Look. So you actually the
Yeah,
scooch.
I'm a lower. Okay.
Okay, so
Oh, you have 5 more gems. You have 25 gems now. You can almost afford ingredients. No, that's not right.
Whoa, VIP pizza.
Yeah, but those are all for Robux. We're not
Yeah, I
using
don't have
Robux.
Robux.
Okay, here, my turn. Yay.
Uh,
Okay.
Hey, this is my turn.
Yeah, well, you can have a long turn. Now it's my
Wait,
turn.
did I?
Yep, thanks. Ooh, I got more. No. I like the part where you get to do your own pizza because then it goes on this wall and it will just say, like, you invented a pepperoni pizza or a kiwi and marshmallow pizza. And then the people show up and then they want that kind of pizza. Where did the people go? What happened?
They left. Cause when it served,
Okay.
it took.
Okay.
Wait, Mama, you forget the machine over there.
No, let's
But
see.
for
We have...
6,050.
Here, let's go see how much we have to get to the next part. That machine's
Hey,
$6.50.
there's,
You were right. You said $6.50.
So if you don't want stuff, just put it there. In the
Okay.
garbage.
No, I'm holding on to it. Yeah, see, look. I have a pizza down here. Ding.
Hey, it's people.
And then, oh, I can't see anything. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of people.
Show them pizza. Show them pizza.
I can't show you pizza. There
You
we go.
show them pizza? What? How do you show them pizza when it's shove? I'm saying the same
I
thing
have no
over
idea what
other
you're saying.
names. Yeah, I don't know either. It's the random bullets. Like,
How many?
Ow.
Okay, there's a lot of pizza. People waiting for
I
pizza.
went out the screen.
Can I also have a cheese pizza? Yeah, you can.
Mm.
Okay. Oh, we're almost out of time, everybody. We gotta go.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.